Hello everybody, this is Tobin Industrial, and today we are looking at a VFO. This unit is a Siltronix Model 90 VFO, and if you look at the button down here on the left, it has a 5-way switch by which you can switch it to CB, HF, and XTOL 1, 2, and 3. And this is the on-off button. And we have a fine tune and a coarse tune. As best I can tell, looks like it was a VFO set up to be used with 23 channel radios. I'll just show you the readings here. CB and HF, of course, if you can see that. Let me see if I can get that working for you. Not the best camera for zoom, I'll tell you that. Anyway, you'll see the numbers running through here, and you can pause if you'd like, and you'll see the digits there in between showing 23 channels, and continuing on down into 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and of course it's got two different scales, top and bottom, of course, and it looks like the bottom is CB and the top is HF. Anyway, I'm going to give you a little look at the internals. I haven't tested this. It runs AC. But anyway, we'll just see about that there in a few minutes. Now, as you can probably tell, you can see the AC cord here, and we have a little power supply connection doohickey with a little banana clip plug-in for the center here, and a grounding wing nut. So obviously, it may be powered by DC. Not sure. But anyway, and we also have an RCA output, I would think. And I guess that's where you'd probably send your signal into the 23 channel radio for your VFO. Okay, we have the top off the VFO now. And I will be first to admit once again that not overly familiar with this sort of equipment. But obviously you can see right here there's 3 places where crystals can be put in. And there's trim pots here. 3 of them must be for each of the crystals. And you have a little circuit board here with capacitors and diodes and resistors and such. And a transformer. I do notice a bulb here for the meter, and I think it's blown. I may do a power test to see if it powers up there later on, but I'm going to show you the bottom section of this VFO now. So stand by. Okay. And I apologize for the freestyle here, but just giving you a look at what's going on here. Of course, you can see the little wire here coming off of the DC power supply. Looks like the AC cord has been worked out at some point, because we have some more tape here. Obviously an older rig. We have a tuner here of sorts. I'm not exactly sure what you'd exactly call it, but you can probably see the mechanism moving on the gears and all that. See that moving? That's the coarse tune and the fine tune. And your switches here on both sides. Little circuit board down there. I noticed, and I don't know if you can pick this up or not, but I'm just going to mention to you that there's a tuning a screw here, some sort of trim pot, but there's also one here, but it looks like it may be severed, although it still moves a little bit. Yep, it looks like it's severed, but it may work. Anyway, it looks like it's intact, but it doesn't look like it would be something that would function too well. Anyway, interesting little unit. Quite old, I would say, considering it's probably used to run on 22 channel. Per 22 channel, I should say. Okay, I tested the bulb, and it's certainly blown. Actually, the glass is broken right out of the metal chassis that it's sitting in, and it's blown. I haven't plugged it in AC to see if it's working out, because I don't exactly know the integrity of the electronics, and I'll have a closer look at that. Just want to show you a little sticker that somebody had put on it. On the top of here. Let's bring it over here for you. It says south. Sorry about that. South of the border. US 301501. Looks like a little Mexican sitting down sleeping, and it says Interstate 95, Dillon, South Carolina. So, cute little sticker. Don't know exactly where that came from, but obviously it's probably from, this unit must have came from United States at some point. Anyway, folks, Siltronix Model 90 VFO. I'm not exactly sure what exactly it's used for, but we all know what VFOs do, and for tuning in frequencies from one side to the other side of whatever it's capable of doing, obviously. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be a few more coming up in the coming days, because I have some more electronics that I'm going to be doing my little novice reviews on, and I certainly do hope that you appreciate it. Anyway, thank you folks for watching, and please subscribe.